today what we're going to be doing, I'm going to show you my 2 squishies that I made myself. Okay, so what you'll need if you want to make these, what you'll need is 4 pieces of paper, something to stuff it with, and tape. So I'll show you what they are. So and they are bottles, baby bottles that I made, and they're paper, baby bottles. Okay, so first one is a little baby bottle, number 1. I used some tape. So your tape, I put some bread in here because I only needed 1 piece of bread, okay, to fill up both of these bottles. Okay, and then, so this says it has milk in it. It looks like milk in it. And it has baby on it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's very squishy. It's very slow rising. Very slow rising. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, sorry. I had to go to the store. Okay. So, anyways. So this is what this one looks like. It's big. Okay. And here in just a minute I'm gonna go get my baby and I'm gonna show you which one fits. Okay. So, and here's the second one. It's a baby bottle. It's just little. Okay. It's made out of bread, paper, and tape. Okay. And I colored it and it says star. Okay. So that's what it looks like. And it does, hold on. If you look closely, it looks really pretty up close. I like the little cap. It looks so pretty. Now the one false thing is if you put it sideways, this side is lower than this side. So it's okay. And so let me go get my babies. Okay, so I went to go get them. And little Parker is asleep. So she is asleep, as you can see. She is asleep. Okay, so this is her sleeping. She's asleep. Okay. So we have to be really quiet whenever we feed Parker. Okay. So baby Parker, let me keep her asleep. Okay, so let's test out the big one. Okay. The big little knob. Won't fit the little knob. Ding, ding, ding. No, I'm going to have to wake her up, okay? So let me wake her up. She's not a wake up person. So let me go get her up. Or do y'all want to watch? Nah. It's alright. Okay, Parker, do you want to get fed? Okay. Little Miss Parker had a little fit and kicked me in the face. So Miss Parker gets to drink her little milk. See? So look, I look so cute. I look so cute. See, it goes in her mouth. See? See this? Watch. See? So that's one baby that fits in, that's one bottle that fits in one baby. That's the, this bottle's point, okay? I give this fun factor a 9 because I love this. And I'll give the, little knob 100. Tasty good for my baby. Okay. For Parker. Okay, and for little baby Miss Kaylin. She's just a little cutie pie. So let me get her out of her car seat. Out of the baby's car seat. I use it for all the babies. So little Miss Kaylin is so pretty. She's a preemie. So this is what little Miss Kaylin looks like. So she has teeny little feet. Her feet comes up about right here to my finger. Right here. See, there's one little line, two little line, and then a halfway point under the line of my finger. Okay, and then so there's like my baby is so cute. She's so adorable. Okay, now let's do the fun factor and tasty little thing. Okay, so little fun factor for this. But yeah, for the fun factor for Parker, I give the fun factor a 1. And the taste, okay, for Parker. Now, the taste and fun factor for little Miss Kaylin. The taste for the fun factor, I give the fun factor a 6 because it goes in her mouth. Okay, and then the taste, AK good. So awesome, Kaylin good. Awesome, Kaylin good. Okay, and then here comes the fun factor and taste little thing for this. Okay, so the little bottle. Okay, so let's see. I give this fun factor and a 10, and then the taste factor, a very good taste reaction for little Miss Kaylin. So Miss Kaylin and Parker is very happy because they just got to be fed. They're just happy to be fed. I fed them yesterday, and I fed them breakfast this morning, and lunch. So, and that's their dinner. So little Miss Kaylin's going back in her little car seat, and she just loves to be in her car seat. I don't know why. She squirmed whenever I tried to get her out a little bit. She's like, "Okay, Parker, can I use your favorite illustration?" Okay, she shows yours. Okay, so Parker. So this is Kaylin. Pretend you're Kaylin, okay? Okay. So Kaylin was in her car seat, and she was like this. She's like, I was just like, okay, you can't see Parker. I mean Kaylin. So she was like doing this. She's like doing this, like, I don't want to get out, no, and try to get out of my hands. These babies are just little rascals. These babies are just little rascals. Okay? So, I hope you have fun with that. Bye! Share, like, and subscribe, and good comments.